Best all air freshener for your car comparison. With the growing demand for eco-friendly and natural solutions, all-natural car air fresheners have become a sought-after accessory for maintaining a pleasant driving environment. These products not only eliminate odors, but also provide a safer and healthier alternative to chemical-based air fresheners. In this comparison, the Drift Car Air Freshener offers a modern, minimalist design with a magnetized wood block that attaches seamlessly to your car visor. The Grove scent combines mountain greens, citrus, and vanilla for a fresh yet subtle aroma. The product is made in the USA using sustainably sourced wood and essential oil blends free of harmful chemicals. Its refillable design adds an eco-friendly touch, while the magnetic clip ensures secure placement. Performance-wise, the Drift Air Freshener delivers consistent fragrance throughout the day thanks to its passive diffusion method. While the scent lasts up to 30 days, users may find the replacement process slightly cumbersome due to the need for precise alignment with the clip. Additionally, the scent intensity might not suit those who prefer stronger fragrances. Overall, this product is ideal for users who prioritize aesthetics and sustainability. List 2. This budget-friendly option combines style and practicality with its hanging design and rich mahogany teakwood scent. The glass bottle and sustainably sourced wood diffuser offer a premium look despite the affordable price. Made in the USA, the product uses high-quality essential oils, free from alcohol and harmful chemicals, making it safe for families and pets. Its refillable design reduces waste and adds value. The mahogany teakwood scent is versatile, appealing to those who enjoy woody fragrances with floral undertones. With a scent duration of 45 to 60 days, this air freshener outperforms many competitors in the same price range. However, the hanging design may obstruct visibility slightly for taller drivers. This product is an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers who value long-lasting fragrance and eco-friendly materials. List 3. The EnviroScent non-toxic car air freshener stands out with its liquid-free design and adherence to EPA Safer Choice standards. The black vanilla and mandarin scent combines layered vanilla, exotic spices, and citrus for a sophisticated fragrance. Each pack includes 3 sets of 2 hanging sticks, offering over 180 days of fragrance in total. The FSC-certified paper and biodegradable materials make this product a planet-friendly choice. In terms of performance, the scent is subtle and non-overpowering, making it suitable for users sensitive to strong odors. The hanging design ensures even fragrance distribution throughout the cabin. However, the sticks may lose their scent faster in high-temperature environments. This product is ideal for eco-conscious consumers seeking a long-lasting, non-toxic solution. List 4. Biover's Vanilla Cream Hanging Car Freshener offers a compact and stylish solution for odor elimination. The adjustable string ensures the diffuser hangs at a safe height without obstructing the driver's view. Each set includes 2 8-milliliter bottles of natural essential oil, providing a fresh fragrance for up to 90 days. The reusable glass bottles add an eco-friendly touch, and additional refills are available for purchase. The vanilla cream scent is warm and inviting, ideal for creating a cozy atmosphere during long drives. While the diffuser excels in longevity and design, its fragrance may not be strong enough for users who prefer bold scents. Additionally, the refill process requires careful handling to avoid spillage. This product is best suited for users seeking a long-lasting and understated fragrance. List 5. The Urban Naturals Car Air Freshener Diffuser offers a premium experience with its Tropical Escape Essentials scent trio: Tropical Breeze, Ocean Mist, and Mahogany Coconut. The dual-use design allows for hanging or vent clip installation, providing versatility. Each 8-milliliter bottle lasts up to 45 days, and the set includes 3 bottles, ropes, clips, and sticks. Made in the USA, the product uses clean, high-quality oils without synthetic additives. The Tropical Escape Trio delivers vibrant, summery fragrances that appeal to users looking for a beachy vibe. The dual-use design enhances usability, though the vent clip may not fit all vehicle models. While the price is on the higher end, the quality and variety of scents justify the investment. This product is ideal for users who appreciate luxury fragrances and versatile installation options.